What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I got an awesome topic for you. One of my favorite topics to talk about. And that is how to add $500 in passive income. We're going to talk about what passive income is, how you can make it, and a little bit more. Let's get to it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to this channel, welcome. We talk a lot about business, real estate, mixed martial arts, and we're excited and happy to have you here. Today's discussion is going to be about passive income. Before we get into what exactly passive income is and how it works, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. It helps out a lot for the channel. So what is passive income? You might have heard this word thrown around. You might hear people talking about how great it is. And basically what passive income is it's money that comes in every month over and over again, and it's money that you don't have to get up every day and go to a 9 to 5 to work for. Now, let me be clear with you though. It's not magic money. It isn't money that requires no work and you someday just wake up and you got all this money coming in. In reality, it involves a lot of work, passive income. But the key is, and the trick is, it's a lot of work up front. And once you do a lot of that work, it pays off for years and years and years. So passive income, again, is basically money coming in over and over again that you don't have to go to work for every day. So when you're sleeping, you make money. When you're out on vacation with friends and family, you're still making money. That's what passive income is. Now for me, once I first got a taste of passive income, when I first made my first $500 a month coming in, my reality changed. Because all I ever knew up until that point was go to school, get a job, go to work, 9 to 5, over and over again, collect your paycheck at the end of the week. And that was my reality. Basically, once I got that $500 a month coming in passive income, my mind opened. And I experienced a reality without having to go to work to earn money. I experienced a sense of freedom that blew me away. My perspective on what money is, how it works, totally changed. And I seen a reality that I could be a lot more free to spend time with my family, free to travel the world, free to do what I love to do every day. Before we talk about exactly what passive income is, you got to understand two words: income and expenses. Income is money you have coming in. Expenses is money that you have coming out. So for example, what I love is real estate. An example of income would be rent. You have rent coming in every month over and over again. And expenses would be, in real estate, would be taxes, insurance, property management. Those are some of the monthly expenses that you have to pay for every single month. So how did I make my first $500 in passive income? Well, in 2012, I decided that I'm going to learn a lot about investing. I'm going to learn a lot about different investment vehicles, how money works, what the successful people put their money into. And after studying and learning a lot, I decided to choose real estate as to be my investment vehicle. And in 2012, I purchased my first property. It wasn't anything spectacular. It wasn't a mansion overlooking the ocean. It was basically a 3-bedroom, 1-bath, single-family home in Michigan, 1,200 square foot. It was in a great location. And that was my first purchase. I wasn't looking for anything fancy. I wasn't looking for, a sauna in the house. I wasn't looking for crazy granite countertops, nothing like that. I just wanted a good, solid, single-family home. And that was my first taste of buying a property. I paid $29,000 for this property, and I put $10,000 in repairs into it. And after that, it was a good property. I mean, newer kitchen, it was moderately updated, great big backyard, in a great location, a great city. Now the key is, before I bought this property, I ran my income and my expenses on the property. So I had to do some research, right? I had to look around before I bought this property, and I had to see what houses were renting for in that same area in the same type of shape this house was. So I would jump on Craigslist or I would jump on Zillow and I would see what's for rent that was a 3-bedroom, 1-bath, 1,200 square foot in the same city. And I came up through my research and that $850 is what the market rent was for this property. Now I also had to research a little bit on what my expenses were. I looked up taxes, insurance, what the maintenance would be, and I kind of understood what those were. So for this property, my income or my rent was $850. My taxes were $100. My insurance was $50. Utilities, I didn't really pay any utilities because the tenants paid them all. Maintenance was $150 a month. Now I did a good remodel on it, so there wasn't a lot of deferred maintenance or stuff that needed to be fixed. It was a good running property. And in this area, my vacancy rate was about $43. And what that is basically is it's just you got to plan for sometimes, when people move out or if the property's not rented out, it costs you money. And in this area, a 5% vacancy rate was what was very common. So that was about $43. So all in, my total expenses for this were $343. So let's take the income, which was $850, the rent. I minus the expenses every month, which was $343. And I'm left with a profit every month of $507. Now this is reoccurring. This is every month. And what's cool about this is I don't have to go to a 9 to 5, right? To get this $507 coming in every month. Once I did the research, found the property, fixed it up, put the tenants in there, it's like clockwork. It's every month that $507 comes in. And what's cool is I'm not always this lucky, but this house and this property, the tenants that we moved in 2012, they've been there ever since. So they haven't moved, right? How awesome is that? So for the past 8 years, I've made $507 a month, and that's come out to a grand total of $48,672 I've collected in passive income total over the 8 years. So that's awesome, right? Considering I paid $39,000 for it, so I basically got all my money back out of it and an extra $9,000, and I still own the property and it still cash flows every month. So that's why I love real estate right there. But more importantly, this was my first experience of passive income, and it changed my life. So that $507 coming in every month, even though it wasn't a lot, I basically changed my reality on money. Instead of working hard for money, I wanted to work hard for assets that produce passive income, or cash flow is also what it's called. And since that 2012, that first property, that first $500 in passive income, I've kept the same strategy. And I've continued to just do it over and over and over again, building up that monthly passive income. It's changed my life. And if you work hard for it, you learn about it, it could change your life as well. So that's my rant on passive income, why I love it, how awesome it is, and I'm passionate about it. I love it. So, guys, make sure to leave a comment, smash that like button, and subscribe. And until next time.